Hi there, this is Jesse from Star Roofing coming to you today. We're on this standing seam metal roof. They tell me the building's about 30 years old, I believe is what they told me. What we're going to be addressing here in the next week or so is these issues right here. Somebody put all kinds of stuff around this thing. Looks like they started with a torch down that went on top of the metal, which is a bad idea in the beginning because it'll with tar on metal, it'll cause rust. I'm not going to pull it apart today just because we're not ready to put it back down. I'm just down here doing the final inspection before it gets started. But that, if I pull that up, we can see there will be a whole lot of rust. You can kind of see it creep through over there a little bit. And somebody had a car over all this stuff. I don't know what this is. Somebody had some other kind of, looks like some of that white stuff you buy at Home Depot or Lowe's or somewhere. And brush it on there. And it, as you can see, they've had nothing problems with it. Over here, all these units are the same exact way. They have this stuff all over them and all kinds of problems. So we'll be back later to show you more. I'll pull a section of it up so we can see the rust. And then we're going to do our whole SPF system, just the sections right around these units and up to the peak. So we will show all that in a later either video or maybe some pictures in the comments below. So check us out, give us a call if you've got any questions, or if you want to see more of the process, we can always get you up on the roof here and you can watch us. So just give us a call on 888-397-0155. We'll ring the office and my cell number. So just give us a call when you need something. Y'all have a good day.